Today, I want to introduce Drillingsoftware Company. Drillingsoftware is dedicated to helping the man on the rig to get on with his job in a more efficient manner. Drillingsoftware is made up of a group of oilfield professionals working together to make your life easier. Their aim is to give you the most sophisticated yet easy to use drilling and workover software on the market, ready to run on your present Excel application and complete human-to-human 24/7 customer support, which is second to none. The roots started in 1992 when Iain Richmond decided to hang up his hard hat after over 30 years in the oil industry. The original idea was to give the men supervising drilling and workover rigs some good software to speed up calculations. Also to give them an accurate platform to base decisions on. All the original software was developed while working in the field in the days when you could write a hydraulic program within 3K and run it on a dust-free screen. With the progress into the present operation systems and applications, the programs like everyone else's moved up in sophistication and size. Full description of the Drillingsoftware profiles are available on PetroMehras.com. For learning more about Drillingsoftware technology, click on Visit Website link on the top right side of Software Profile. Hope you found this video useful. Please post your experience if you have used any of the Drillingsoftware services and products below, and let us know which technology company you are interested in introducing in the next video. Thank you.